Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 IS300. The IS300 is the compact luxury sedan offered by Lexus under Toyota. The IS300 fits the bill for sports-minded drivers looking for luxury in a compact design. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, airbags, front knee. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.